Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both crystal and surface. Wipe with alcohol and allow 30 to 60 seconds to fully evaporate so adhesive bonds. Once done, pick crystals with a flat base and appropriate size for the area because weight changes hold. Next, do a dry layout, place them without removing backing to confirm spacing and pattern, and make any adjustments. This reduces mistakes and speeds application when you begin peeling each sticker and aligning it precisely on the first solid. You now apply individual crystal stickers with controlled motions. Peel only 1/4 to 1/3 of the backing so the adhesive won't touch unintended spots. Use fine tweezers or a pickup tool to place the crystal. This gives you precision and prevents oils from your fingers transferring to the adhesive. Once aligned, press the center, then smooth toward the edges to seat it evenly. Hold firm for 5 to 10 seconds to ensure bond. If working in rows, keep consistent spacing and repeat this measured rhythm. You finish by inspecting each crystal. Press lightly across the whole design to confirm adhesion, and consider a clear sealer for items that bend or will be handled frequently because it extends wear. If a piece is loose, remove it, clean the spot, reapply fresh adhesive or swap the sticker. Don't reuse weakened backing. For long-term care, store spare crystals and replacement stickers in a labeled dry container. If alignment shifts, gently lift with tweezers and reposition immediately before adhesive fully sets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.